Hello everyone, Patrick LeBlanc, Principal Program Manager, Microsoft Fabric. In this video, Rui unlocks the full potential of semantic modeling with the latest TMDL view enhancements in Power BI. From streamlined column renaming to auto upgrading compatibility levels and intuitive code editor features like tooltips and quick fixes, your workflow just got faster and smarter. Let's get into this.
TMDL View brings an exciting set of enhancements this month that will significantly improve your semantic modeling as code experience with TMDL View. Let's start with the code editor enhancements. Now, if you mouse over any semantic model object or property, you get a tooltip with information about that object or property. This is very useful to understand the property meaning and its purpose without having to jump to the documentation. TMDL code formatting is also now possible. You can either format a specific section of your document by selecting it and choosing the format selection in the context menu, or you can also format the whole document by pressing the format button in the ribbon. And of course, the keyboard shortcut Shift-Alt-F is also available for you to format the whole document. And finally, code actions are also available. Not only it will allow you to fix misspelled property names, like the hidden over here, but also it will also let you fix semantic errors, such as a duplicated lineage tag. So let me duplicate this measure over here, and let's call it this v2. And you can see an error that it will tell you that you have a duplicated lineage tag, and now conveniently you can open the code action that will generate a new lineage tag for you. So when you apply this TMDL back to your model, you no longer get an error. Another update we shipped this month is the compatibility level upgrade prompt. TMDL View facilitates the sharing of objects from other semantic models. Previously, if these objects used features that were unsupported at your current compatibility level, such as a dynamic format string, you would get an error when you try to apply this TMDL script. And to update your compatibility level, you had to use an external tool or edit your PBIP files. Now, instead of an error, you will get a prompt that will ask you to upgrade your compatibility level before applying the script. And if you answer yes, this will upgrade your compatibility level. You will get an information in your output log, and it will successfully apply the script. And as a final enhancement, you can now apply a bulk rename to your table columns using TMDL View without worrying about adding the rename step to the Power Query expression. Previously, the rename was applied, but it would get resetted on the next refresh. In this example, I want to remove the space on all the columns of my sales table. I can, of course, use the UI, right-clicking the column and choose rename and then remove the space, but I need to do this for all my columns. A more efficient way is I just script the full table into TMDL View and use the powerful find and replace with a regular expression, where I can define what I want to keep and what I want to exclude with the regular expression groups. And just like that, I can do a bulk find and replace in all my columns, removing the space, doing the apply, and all my spaces got removed from my table. And now if I refresh, the column renames made in TMDL View will be preserved, and the mapping to Power Query is maintained through the source column property in each column, which continue to use spaces. But you no longer need to manually add the Power Query rename step. And that's all for the TMDL View enhancement this month. I hope you enjoy them and find them useful on your daily usage of TMDL View.
Wow, what a great demo. If you have any questions, comments, or you'd like to see more demos, you know what to do. Post it in the comments below. If this is your first time visiting the Power BI YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, a big thumbs up. And as always, for Microsoft and myself, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.